Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cierlin Styles. Today I'm going to be reviewing this makeup case, which I'm actually going to be using for my hair supplies because I am a travel stylist. But I'm not only going to review this, but kind of compare it to my old one. Now, this one I had for like 6 years, and recently one of the wheels broke on it. This one did me good for so many years, and I'm like, you know what, time to upgrade. I found this one on Amazon. I paid around like $106 for it. They have 4 different colors. This is the emerald green with the black. They do also carry it in black, black with silver trim, and a light pink with silver trim as well. And the prices, depending on the color, range anywhere from 105 to 119. I haven't used it yet, so after a few uses or even a few months, I might update down in the description how it's working for me. But I have not used it yet. I have nothing in it. This is brand new. So far looks good. Nothing came broken on it. The reviews are pretty good online. So starting out with the size of it, as you can see, it's quite a bit bigger than my old one. It's basically like my old one, but it has 2 of these middle guys instead of just one. And then each of the sections is kind of a little bigger as well, resulting in it being much taller. These are the same wheels that go on like your suitcase, so you can totally... Now, if we go onto the back side, also with my old case, talking about the wheels, so this one just had 2 wheels on the back and then 2 little like stoppers in the front, and you can only roll it in the direction of these 2 wheels. This has a Velcro to hold it in place, and that's just basically to make it so you're not putting strain on this. Another thing I love about these cases is at any point you can just take the top part with you, or just the top and this. So the top part, you're going to have 2 clips like so, and then these open up like this, and then these open up like that. And those are the keys because you can lock the case if you want to. So these come open like this, and you have 2 shelves on each side, and then this area in here. And I'm just gonna close that back up. Here's the clasps on it. And then we're gonna come down here, take these off, and show you the other parts. So like I said, if you ever just want to take this top part somewhere, so this next area, now these 2 are the same exact thing, other than there's this insert in one of them. So you can put them in any order. You can leave this in there, you can leave it out, and then also these move as well. So if you want to take all these out or rearrange it, you can do that. That's just the silica packet that it came with. And then after this one, like I said, this one is exactly the same. It looks like it's dirty in here. This is just like the edges of it peeking through. Not really a big deal to me. It looks a lot crappier on video than it does in person. That's why I'm pointing it out. But it really, like, you can't really tell in person much. So after that level, you're going to get down to the base, and it is just this big empty. It is very deep, can fit a lot. So this is where I'm going to put like my flat irons, my curling irons. But that is it. I think I've gone over everything. I am loving it so far. I can't wait to pack it up. And I would say the biggest thing I love about this case so far is the wheels. I just think that they are going to make it so much more versatile when I'm moving in and out of jobs. So very excited about that. Alright, and that is all for the review. I will put the links down in the description if you are interested in this specific case. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!